And it's a very powerful tool to be able to optimize the features and the pricing of your offering in competition, in realistic competition with your competitors, to be able to see how you should modify your product. This is A to gazillion testing, because in a single survey with about a 3 or 4 minute interview, which is typical for a respondent, we can predict what that respondent would choose in thousands or millions of different product combinations and competitive marketing scenarios. When we build that model, that logistic regression model, and we have those utility scores, typically we export those to Excel and we build a market simulator in Excel. Sawtooth Software automatically can build a market simulator for you, but a lot of you on this webinar have the kind of skills to be able to build a what-if simulator, a predictive model using these utility scores in Excel. This is a tool that we deliver typically to managers and analysts. And I've got a simple example here. Imagine that this is in Excel, and imagine that you in Excel can change the fields. You can choose whether the Camaro is blue or red, whether it's 6 or 8 cylinder, and you can specify the prices. And so you can change these cells, and every time you change the cell, the math updates, and it's like a voting machine, and the respondents behind the scenes, their utility scores, vote on which of these products they would prefer. And we often will have 3 or 4 or more products competing in a market simulation scenario. It's very intuitive to use. The shares sum to 100% because we're summing up the votes. And it's a very powerful tool to be able to optimize the features and the pricing of your offering in competition, in realistic competition with your competitors, to be able to see how you should modify your product or develop a product line of multiple products to capture the most share of votes as possible from your database of respondents.